Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. तो आज के इस वीडियो में I'm going to tell you some of the most brutal truths that I learned being a 16-year-old. Okay, so ये जो बातें हैं they are not at all going to be very easy to hear, but I think that somewhere along the way everybody needs to sort of make peace with them. So yeah, let's just get into it. So सबसे पहली जो बात है, okay, the number one lesson is confidence is your best accessory. Now, what I mean by that is, look, I'm not saying that, you need to be confident all the time, or if you're not confident, then nothing is going to work out for you. No, that's not true at all. But what I am saying is confidence is priceless, right? आप दुनिया भर के सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब जो महंगे महंगे ब्रांड्स हैं उनके कपड़े पहन सकते हो, आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो ना तो it's all for nothing basically, because confidence, it sort of builds an image of yours that I don't think any other physical trait can replace. So especially if you're in high school and you're not confident, you hunch your shoulders, you sit like this, and you sort of clutch to your bag, that just gives a very negative impression of who you are as a person. It basically, it's not a very welcoming body language. But if you're confident and you know that you can literally own any space that you walk into, trust me, it changes the game for you. So confidence is definitely non-negotiable. Okay, moving on to the next one. तो ये वाला जो है, it hits hard. Okay, it's just like this one says कि you should really forgive yourself for not knowing what only time can teach. Now what I mean by that is, us, in our teens or even as children, we make mistakes, right? And a lot of mistakes, be it in love, be it in academics, be it socially, be it however, right? But after you realize that it was a mistake, you keep judging yourself for it, right? You just can't let it go. You keep criticizing yourself. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैंने ये क्यों किया, अब I am such a, I cannot deal with this, या I should not have done it in the first place. But at that time, if you go back in time, how would you know that you were not supposed to do it? I mean, it's just that there are some experiences in life that only and only time can teach you. Not even the most experienced of philosophers can match that level of teachings that time can give you. तो अगर आपने आपके पास्ट में कोई ऐसी गलती की हो जो आप अभी रिग्रेट करते हो, so just remember to be gentle with yourself and understand that there are some things that truly only and only time and experience can teach you, and that's okay. Okay, moving on. This one is very true, and it says motivation is cute but discipline actually gets you the results. Now, I've said this a lot before, but I don't think that I can say it enough because it is just so true. Now see, motivation is extrinsic and discipline is intrinsic. What I mean by that is, one day you'll feel motivated, अगले दिन आप फिर से back to square one हो जाओगे. एक दिन आप पूरा टाइम टेबल बनाओगे, पूरी अपनी रूम साफ करोगे, 4-5 घंटे पढ़ाई करोगे, but next day you are back to square one. That is because you rely on motivation, not discipline, and that is the worst way to play the game. Listen, discipline is hard. It's not sexy. It's just very cliche, but it actually works. And motivation, मोटिवेशन पे तो इतने वीडियोस बना रखे हैं, इतना पता नहीं 2-3 घंटे के स्पीचेस दे रखे हैं लोगों ने मोटिवेशन पे, पर फिर उसके बाद क्या, you listen to that 3-hour long speech and then you feel all fired up, but the next day you're back to normal. तो आप रोज़ 3-4 घंटे का स्पीच तो नहीं सुनोगे ना, just to feel like doing something out of your life, right? So that is why you need to build discipline, not rely on motivation. Okay, moving on. This one says, it is okay to slow down and have a bad day. Look, every day cannot be perfect. You cannot study for 12 hours every single day, go to the gym, do your skincare, eat clean. You cannot do all of that in one single day. It is just not possible. Okay, maybe you do it one day, maybe you do it 2 days, but you cannot keep that up because it is just not how your body works, right? आप कभी ना कभी तो थक ही जाओगे, and that's okay. On days when you don't feel the best, it is honestly okay to just slow down and take a small mental health break. No, I'm not saying that you don't do anything on those days. I'm saying कि अगर आप generally 5 घंटे पढ़ते हो तो उस दिन 3 घंटे पढ़ो, 2 घंटे पढ़ो और थोड़ा ज़्यादा सो लो, because sometimes your body really needs that rest, especially if you are between the ages of 13 to 18. So yeah, it's okay, and you don't really need to punish yourself for it or feel guilty about it. It is literally a very human thing to feel tired. That's okay. Moving on. Your time is your biggest asset. Okay, time is like your currency, right? But even more priceless. See, as young adults, I know that बहुत easy होता है चीज़ों में distract हो जाना, feeling like हाँ एक ही तो पार्टी है या फिर एक ही तो लाइफ है, let's go and party now and we can always study later. Now अगर आप ऐसा करते हो once in a while, it's okay, it's needed once in a while. But अगर आप हर बार ही ऐसे सोचोगे ना, तो you are basically trading it off for a much better future you. अगर आप अभी ज़्यादा अपने आप में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करोगे तो उसका प्राइस आपको बड़े होके पे करना ही पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ हाउ इट वर्क्स. इफ़ यू डू नॉट सैक्रिफाइस some of your time, it's not even a sacrifice, it's an investment into future you, so that you 10 years down the line can have the life that you deserve and that that basically the life of your dreams. So every single hour that you don't study or every single day that you just trade off to do something to get you temporary pleasure is some part of that dream life getting snatched away from you. I know that it sounds very hard to hear, but I just feel like a lot of us are in that, are in a slump right now, and especially because it's summer vacation right now. But honestly, I think that it is very important to understand that time is not unlimited, and अगर आपके बोर्ड्स है इस साल तो आपके पास कुछ महीने ही बचे हैं, साल भी नहीं है पूरा, क्योंकि मे इज़ ओवर जून. सो जून से लेकर दिसंबर तक टाइम है आपके पास, 6 months. दैट्स ऑल यू गॉट. सो ऑल आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर इज दैट टाइम इज़ नॉट अनलिमिटेड, एंड स्टॉप ट्रीटिंग इट लाइक it's free and just giving everybody a piece of your time, because you're basically trading it for the life of your dreams. Okay, so this is the last one, and it is a very important one. It says learn to set boundaries and say no. See, us as teenagers, बहुत it's very understandable कि आपको fit in करना है लोगों के साथ, you want to be the cool one, and there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody wants to be cool, but that should not be at the expense of your self respect. I think मैंने पहले भी बोला और मैं फिर से बोलूँगी, 10 बार बोलूँगी, because ये लोगों को समझ में ही नहीं आता है और मुझे भी नहीं आता था बहुत टाइम तक, but I had to work on it. And trust me, setting boundaries is one of the biggest favors that you can do yourself, because हर एक इंसान या हर एक चीज़ आपका टाइम, आपका सेम अमाउंट ऑफ एफर्ट डिज़र्व ही नहीं करती है. तो आप हर एक इंसान को अपना फ्री में टाइम दे के यू आर नॉट डूइंग जस्टिस टू योर सेल्फ. सो लर्न टू से नो टू हैंग आउट्स दैट ड्रेन यू, लर्न टू से नो टू फ्रेंडशिप्स दैट ड्रेन यू, और अ रिलेशनशिप दैट वॉज नॉट गुड फॉर यू. You know that it's not good for you. Nobody has to come and tell you that, right? Deep down you just know that a friendship or a relationship is not good for you. So it's just that you need to learn how to stand up for yourself and actually set boundaries and follow through with them. Okay, so that was it, and I know that these were a little too uncomfortable to hear, but let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and if you liked it, don't forget to follow.